Hey guys, your girl Kathy. How are you? I hope you are doing wonderful. I hope you're having a wonderful day. I am here today to show you my tier tray actually in my kitchen. I have a little corner right next to my coffee station where I decorate for every holiday or every season, I should say, because you know, sometimes for summer I put some, summer decor, and for Christmas and Halloween and Easter, and Valentine's Day. Those are the holidays that I usually decorate for, like the times of the year. So you guys, I always forget to, record that and show it to you. I was going to show you the one for Halloween because I had it like super cutely decorated, with some cute things that I got from Target. But then Halloween was gone and I took everything down and I put my Christmas stuff up. So because Christmas is my favorite, so it makes sense that I'm gonna show you my Christmas tier tray. Okay, you guys, everything you're gonna see in the tier tray mostly is things that I did a DIY on. Some things I showed in my Christmas collab, so you probably saw them. Some others I only showed in a project share video, and some things I had. So nothing really new that I got, like store-bought things that I had around and I repurposed or whatever, and you probably have seen those videos. If you are someone that follows my channel, you have seen everything, but you're gonna see it all put together now. So I hope you like it. Leave me a comment below if you're new to my channel. Thank you so much for stopping by. I hope you enjoy it, and I hope you subscribe if you're new. Okay, you guys, thanks a lot for watching. Don't go anywhere. We're gonna go straight into the kitchen to check out my tier tray. You guys, I love you. Thank you. Mwah.